that's gonna happen.
Oh, well then. Oh, did you see that? It's like over there, it's like a very small one though. Oh, did you get that?
Yes, I got light.
Wait, let him record
Yeah,
it.
you record. You
Okay.
record.
Closer,
You're light.
closer. And look up more.
Look. You control however you. Okay, I control however. Either we can watch you and see lightning strikes you. You wanna? Oh.
Wow.
Hey, look, 0.5 would be more because you could get more radius. Of
It's
it.
darker.
Yeah.
Just do however you want. You can play it.
Oh.
Bro, they go.
Whoa.
Oh, dang. But it's still good. We get to see it in real life.
Did
Yeah.
you push play?
Yes, I did.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you see what the
Yeah.
time? Oh, that was huge.
And the good thing about this, if they go really fast, we can always just watch it.
Yeah.
You can see it.
I'm gonna just slow it down.
Yeah.
Oh.
That was behind the clouds.
Yeah.
Just look at the phone.
That's literally.
That's what I'm doing. Oh. Oh.
Oh, you got that perfect time.
Yeah.
Behind the clouds.
When-
Oh, this is just fun now.
Oh.
Oh
I
man,
saw
there's a
it.
perfect shot. It was like, oh.
It was above the clouds. You see.
Yeah.
They
Oh.
better, there better not be one like right there, right when the car happens. Come on, show us a big lightning strike.
Is that a? Oh.
Hold it sideways, hold it sideways.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah,
That's
definitely.
Oh.
I don't know how to hold it without like a pop socket because I'm used to that. Oh.
It's happening like right behind us.
Yeah.
The mirror recording now?
Yeah.
Alright, because if I want to drag it to that and see if we can actually get anything. Yeah, it's,
Oh.
I got some of that.
I saw it. I could record from here.
It probably would be
But there's
better.
mostly blur in the back.
Oh. Sure.
Oh.
Bruh, I saw that
Oh.
perfectly.
Oh.
Don't let me record it now.
Okay, then.
Quickly. Oh my god. Oh.
I didn't even see that one.
I know, I just had it in a small window. I have to like keep looking at both windows. Oh, whoa.
Oh, that was a perfect shot.
Can't wait to just watch it again. Next thing you know, it's an hour long video.
Woo!
I just saw light. I didn't see the light.
Me either.
Yeah, oh.
Bro, you're going to see so many good shots, but it's pretty shaky.
Yeah.
Oh man, I'm seeing all of it from here.
Yeah, I want to go back, but I don't want to get in front of the
Woo! Woo, man.
It's like right where this
Once you see this video, you'll be amazed. Oh man.
my neck's like that.
Wait, what? Didn't it come from back there going right?
Yeah.
So that's why. But then I just saw, and then right there, like, you see like just like a certain little area that was lit up.
Oh, I saw that one. What
I got some of that. I got some of that before we started turning. Oh,
I can see that motherfucker.
around all the way.